So, yes, so we'll start with our session today. So just I'll give you an overview of the projects what we are going to learn on a day-to-day basis. So here, this is a project introduction. The first and foremost thing is, as a data analyst, you should be knowing the multiple tools and technologies knowledge, like how the website hosting will be done, how the analytics can be integrated to the websites, right? So because whatever the live websites we are having, so no organizations will give their analytics for the freshers to integrate with the analytics and research on the customer behavior and to research on the website behavior and all. So for that, what we have to make is we have to host a website and we have to set up the analytical integrations to that with the Google Analytics and the Looker. Looker is what? It is a visualization tool. Okay. And about the project. So if we learn about this, right, in this projects, hence we will be creating, like as a students, you'll be creating the live website in the GitHub pages, and then on the Google Analytics, we'll be tracking all the user activities out there. So first and foremost, what we have to do, so here we have to go and we have to add over here in the big rock. Okay. So big rock is what? It is a domain purchase platform where you can purchase a domain for your websites. Okay. And also over here, find the perfect domain. Suppose I can write it as if I search for this, so I'm having the the web domain which is there, so you can purchase this. Okay, it's a cost of 99 rupees only. So once you purchase your domain, it looks like this. The domain will be purchased. So what we can do, we can host this particular domain and check for the analytics. So how an Google Analytics works for. So basically, so whatever we are having in analytics, we have to integrate that particular website to this analytics, the second step. Okay, so once it is done, integrated, it will be given an ID for us. So that ID we can integrate again that with the the website with the HTML code, which will be helping for us in understanding the who are the visitors and who are the active users, what is the event count happening, what are the bounce rate we are having. So these are some of the aspects what we are going to learn on a day-to-day basis, correct? So now again over here, so we'll be having a dashboard, the copy of it. So here the details are not integrated, hence the website is not active. Okay, so this is just an integration. Already the templates will be there. The thing is, you wanted to have a filter and integration, how to set up automatic dashboards, right? So that all we have to learn in our project. So for that, what are the prerequisites? You have to create an account in the GitHub. You have to create an account in the GoDaddy or the Big Rock, and you should be having a domain which is purchased in that. And in that domain, you have to host one website, and then we have to integrate the websites to the analytics, and we have to create a dashboard at the final stage. So this is a project overview. So now let me know, will you be able to share your screen and create an account quickly so that we can start up with our introduction sessions for the project, or else we can take it out once the session is active. Yes, Pratipati. So, hello. Yeah, so can you please let me know? Yes or no, at least. Okay. You can share your screen. I'll just help you out with setting up an account quickly so we can start up with an introductions of the projects and the areas of the learning of the tools accordingly. Yeah. So I have given an sharing options to you. So you can share your screen and you can go to the Chrome and you can open the Big Rock portal. Pratimati, are you sharing your screen? So please communicate, or else we can wind up for today if you're busy. So we can connect on another day, okay? Thank you. Okay. Okay. You just create an account, sign up, and give all the details. Use the password with uppercase and the numbers between 0 to 16 characters. I think you have to sign up first, and with the same password, you have to log in. Scroll down. Okay, the password sign up, fine. I think the strong password you can give capital P. You just show me the password out there, what you have been given in the I over there. There is an I symbol, right? Okay, so you just use any special characters accordingly. Uh, Between 9 to 6, and one is lowercase is missing, that's why it is not taken. So you can write a small L over there somewhere. Okay, so now it's fine, so you can give register. So you can search for the domain, so what you wanted to, and you can upload the same thing. We can host this with the GitHub, and we can integrate Google Analytics over here. Okay, so now you can search for the domain. So you can give your first name dot online, anything as it. So does the mic has any issues with it? So you're not unmuting and speaking out. So now you can give dot online. Yeah. Just check for if the domain is available or not. Enter. Yeah, it's available and the price is 99. So you can add to cart. So you can make a payment with your debit card or UPI. So the domain will be, I think, active for 1 year. Okay. So for 1 year, you have to renew again and again for the same price with the 99. And then you just close that for, sorry, 499. You just cross that in the sense and select only the 99 and yep, remove from the cart. And then you can continue shopping. continue shopping with this. Yeah. Now you can make a payment later at your convenience. So I think it requires your card details and all. So hence it is the screen shared one. So no need of adding this. So here this is a method where you can make a domain available for your websites. Okay. So now again go to the new tab and open the GitHub. So create an account in the GitHub. So GitHub login here. So you have an account out here. Login. Sign up. Click on sign up over there. Yes. So you can provide your email address and the password for this, and you can create an account. Okay. So now it's done. So what we have to do further? So the thing is, so here whenever we launch any websites, for an analytical purpose, we have to integrate it, right? So for the demo purpose, no live access will be given for us for experimentations. So hence, we are all the freshers. What we have to do, we have to create our own integrations, the domain, and then we have to add that to the GitHub portfolio and launch our own websites. So then that website need to be integrated with the Google Analytics. Okay. So for this, what are the prerequisites? The first and foremost, we should have the Google Analytics, the page, and then we have to integrate with the coding, the tags for the website, and the performance has to be tracked. Okay. So that tracking has to be integrated with the Looker. So here, what is Looker? Looker is one of the BI, that is business intelligence tool, which will be helping us to integrate the visualizations tools with our direct data, which comes through the online websites. So now we are creating one of the dummy website for us. So with the help of the domain, and we can host that website in the GitHub pages. Once we host it, we have to integrate that with a Google account. And from the Google account, we have to integrate that with our, Looker platform. Looker is what? Looker is a BI tool from the Google. So these all you can add it in your resume. So now quickly we will create one repository out here. So click on new, over there, yeah, you can create a repository, create new repository. You can give a new repository with the name of yours. And description is optional. You can write a descriptions that this project speaks about the website, and you can write any context out there. And a README file out there.
Should I click the create browser?
Sorry?
Should I click create button?
Yes, yeah, you have to create a create button, create repository. Okay. So now this is called as repository. So first and foremost, we have to understand what is Git and what is GitHub. So now go to the new tab and just write Git download. Git download. Over here, download for Windows. So yeah, so here Git for Windows installer 64 setup. You can make it out. Yes, download. Yeah, open that. I have added one of the image in the chat box. Can you have an access of that in the Zoom chat box? Can you download and open that image? I think your screen is not yet shared completely. Can you please reshare it one more time with complete access, entire screen? Yes, Lijita. So I can call your name as Lijita, right? Yeah. Yes, please tell me. So open that image which you downloaded. Yes. So this is the lab activity what we are going to start now. So what did you do now? So you have been you have to purchase the domain, and you know the process how to purchase it. And then in the GitHub pages, so what we have to do, we have to host the particular websites. Okay. After hosting a website, we have to integrate that to the analytics. Analytics in the sense we are using here the Google Analytics plus Looker for visualizations. So what are the industries they use these kind of analytical skills from the analyst is, so it is very important in the e-commerce domain, and also it is very important with the product based companies and also the marketing based company for an analytical purpose. Okay, so this is the task what we are going. Can you please read out what you'll learn out here?
Website basics, creating a sample website and posting it on GitHub pages.
Okay,
Domain and hosting, understanding how domains work and linking them with GitHub.
correct.
Analytics setup, adding Google Assist Analytics tracking code to website.
Yes.
Matrix and terminologies, sessions and bounce rate, traffic source, conversions, etc.
Yeah.
Looker integration, connecting GA data to Looker and building interactive dashboards.
GMS Google Analytics.
Collaboration tools, using GitHub for
Version
vers-
control.
version control, and ChatGPT has an AI assistant for coding and troubleshooting.
Correct. And what will be the expected outcome? So you will be a live hosted website with the GitHub pages domain, and also over there you'll be interacting with the um, Google Analytics, and then visualizations will be happening, right? So these are the end-to-end tasks we'll be doing in our lab activities. So I want you to create a domain in the next class. So after creating a domain, so one will install it. Okay. So just open a Chrome browser now again. So and install the VS Code. Do you have Visual Studio installed in your system?
Smart.
So here give yes. Do you want to make changes? Yes. Yeah. Click on yes. It starts installing.
Next one.
Yeah. Next. Next. Everything are default settings. So just press next, next, next. Yeah. You can open the new tab and install the Visual Studio as well.
Visual Studio.
You have it. Okay. Then fine. Not an issue.
I got this.
Yeah, you can close this, not an issue.
I should open Visual Studio.
Yeah. So now you can open this one, git bash. In the search only, just type git bash. Yeah, enter. This is the bash terminal we have to learn, which is very most frequently used. So just write git hyphen version, git space
And
hyphen, no, space hyphen version. Enter. So this is the version which you have installed now, 2.51.0. So we'll do one thing. So now all the environment setup has been done. So what we will do is, so we'll continue in our tomorrow sessions with that particular projects. Okay. So fine. So you can create a repository out there. So I think you can go for CD desktop. So Lizita, can I have your quick introduction? What is your studies background and all?
I completed CSC engineering in Bangalore.
Study in Bangalore.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in Bangalore, which college?
Nagarjuna Engineering and Technology,
Oh, okay.
Chikballapur.
Okay, that sounds good. Actually, even I'm located in Bangalore itself. That's why I have tried asking you. So now, yeah. So now, Lijita, what we have done is, so we have created all the setup. So hence you are from the engineering background. So I think you are familiar with the Linux commands and all, right? So the basic command, Unix, Linux. I think in your studies you have been learnt of. Sorry?
Yes, ma'am, little bit.
Yeah. So the thing is, now you have to create one repository. In that repository, we'll create a project for our websites. Okay. So in tomorrow sessions, we can carry on with that. So hence it is time, right? So today, I think they haven't issued the paid link yet. The management will release it. So we can continue with our live sessions. Okay. Okay. So if you got any doubts or questions, you can reach out to me. Uh, right. Fine. Then let's start. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you.